Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to share a Google Sheets link that is publicly accessible. Here you can go and type Google Sheets. Then open the website, this one docs.google.com. You can also see this one workspace.google.com. Now here you can give a sheet name. So still it is loading. After that we will be able to add the sheet name. Now I can go and copy some text from this file. Let me copy it and then add the text here. Now text is added. On the top right corner here you can see this one share button. Click here. Then you can give a name, file1, then click here save button. Now here you can see file is restricted. Click here, then select this one, anyone with the link. Now you can copy the link and after that you can go back anywhere. For example, if I want to share this link in the description, then I can edit this one video. Here you can see the description box. I can simply add this link here, then click the save button. Now let's view this video. Let me scroll down, click here more. Here you can see link is added. Now when someone click on this link, then he will be redirected to the Google Sheets, so that works fine.